start with one more sum. Let's first do the third sum. At what rate percent per annum will the simple interest on rupees 6720 be rupees 1911 in 3 years and 3 months? So here we have to find the rate. Now this is the sum of the principal 6720, because it says that at what rate percent per annum will the simple interest on rupees 6720 be 1911. So simple interest is 1911. We already know the simple interest, we know the principal, we know the time. The only thing is 3 years, 3 months. We have to convert that into years, right? So 3 months, we know that 12 months is equal to 1 year. So 3 months will be unitary method, 1 by 12 into 3. So it is 1/4 of a year. Okay. So 3 years, 3 months will be 3 and 1/4 of a year, right? I hope it is clear, everyone. If not, please pause, go through the calculation again. So now we will use the formula I is equal to PRT by 100. So I we know is 1911 equal to P. P is 6720. R we have to find. T is 3, 1 by 4. That means it is 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4 by 100. So we'll write as usual 100 in the denominator. Cancel the 0. Now we will take all the constants to the other side. It is an equation in R. So all constants should go to the other side. The ones in the denominator should move to the numerator. And the ones in the numerator should go to the denominator. So here I had done the division. So 1911 is divisible by 13. So 13 ones are, and 13 when multiplied by 147 you get 1911. Okay. Now 672. Is it divisible by 4? See, 6 it goes, yes, 72 is divisible by 4, right? So 672 will be divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2 and 7, 6 are 24, 3 and 2, 168. 168 is divisible by 2. So 10 is also divisible by 2. It goes 5 times. This is 84. Now see, 147 is divisible by 7. 84 is also divisible by 7. So it goes 12 times. This goes 21 times. Both of them are divisible by 3. So 4 and this is 7. So in the numerator, which is equal to R. So what do we get in the numerator? 7 into 5, that is 35. In the denominator 4. So it is equal to, this is 8s are 32, 3 by 4%. So this should be the rate. So that 6720 yields an interest of 1911 in 3 years, 3 months. I hope it is clear, all of you. So next we will move on to the second sum. So I'll rub this off. I'll rub the sum as well. So the next sum is In what time will 25600 amount to 35664? Amount to, that means this is the amount, this is the principal. So we can find the interest here, right? So interest is equal to 35664 minus 25600. So subtract this. 4, 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. So 10,064 is the interest. So now that we know the interest, we can use the formula I equal to PRT, because we know the principal, we know the R, we can find the T. So principal is 25600 into R is 37 by 4 into T, we have to find T, divided by 100. So first thing, cancel the zeros. Okay. Now we will take the constants to the other side. 4 is in the denominator. It will go to the numerator. 256 and 37 will go to the denominator, which is equal to T. So 4 is divisible by 246, right? Let us straight away cancel it. 25, it goes 6 times, 24, 64. Now 64 and 1064 both are divisible by 8. So 8 8s are, and this goes 1 time 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 and 0. 2 times 16. So 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 and 6. 5 times 40. 6 and 4. 8 times. Okay. Now both of them are divisible by 2 again. So 4, this goes 6 times 629. Now see 37 and 629. Here we have to do a little bit of calculation, mental calculation. So 37 and this, the product has to be 629, which ends with 9. So 7 into which number gives a 9? 7 into 7 is 49. So 37 into 7 will be much less than this, right? 37 into 10 is 370. So it can be 37 into 17. So let us do a small rough work here. 49 and 4, 21 plus 4 is 25. 7 ones are 7, 3 ones are 3, 9, 12 and 6. Yes, we are right. It goes by 17. Ones are 17. So in the numerator you are left with 17. In the denominator with 4. So it is 4, 1 by 4 years. Now what is 1 by 4 years? We already calculated in the previous sum. 3 months. You can leave it like this, or you can write 4 years, 3 months and 3 months. Okay, I hope it is clear. So the main thing is you have to go through the word problem very clearly and understand which value represents what, which is the principal, which is the amount, which is the interest. Okay, so let's move on to the next sum.